Have you ever imagined a school being built in less than a day? Well, it's real. In Malawi, Africa, the world's first 3D printed school has just opened, and it was built in only 18 hours. This incredible project was made possible by 14 Trees, a partnership between the UK's CDC Group and Lafarge Holcim, one of the world's biggest building materials companies. Together, they used a giant 3D printer that prints with a special concrete ink. Layer by layer, it created the entire structure, strong, durable, and eco-friendly. Once the walls were printed, local workers stepped in to fit the doors, windows, and roof. This not only saved time, but also provided jobs and training to people in the community. The school now stands proudly in the Yambi zone of Malawi's Salima district, and children have already started attending classes. For them, it's more than just a building, it's a safe, bright, and inspiring place to learn. According to UNICEF, Malawi needs over 36,000 classrooms. Building them the traditional way would take around 70 years. But with 3D printing, that same goal could be achieved in just 10 years. That's the power of innovation. Even better, this technology cuts carbon emissions by 50%, using fewer materials and producing less waste. It's faster, cleaner, and more sustainable than traditional construction. After this success, 14 Trees also printed a house in just 12 hours, and now they plan to bring this technology to Kenya and Zimbabwe.